Hey guys, so we decided you want to learn how we can play games, use applications, and how you can actually install and download Google Play on PC. In this video, I'll show step by step how you can actually do it. So the first thing that you want to do is scroll down below of this video and click on the link in the description. You'll get right here to Ldplayer, and Ldplayer is an amazing emulator that you can use to actually play games, download apps all around it. So here I'll click download Ldplayer, and I already got it installed, right? But I create also a tutorial for you. So to do that, I'll just start play and I'll just play video for you. So here in the video that I open the program, and you're gonna choose where you want to actually install the tool. Install it, and then it's going to download. And in the moment when it's going to download, press start, and then you're gonna end up right here when you're gonna install it. And here what you want to do is press system applications, and you're gonna have Play Store. And here you can easily log into your Play Store and then choose whatever game you actually want to download. So Clash Royale or Clash of Clans. So let's say I'm going with Clash Royale, and I can easily press install. Or this Idle Miner Tycoon. So I can press install. And then press play.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna show.
And that's how you're gonna do it, right? So voila, here you can play games.